Hi everyone, this is Kolani Ndlovu, popularly known as Mr. X. We are about to write our exams and the month of October is upon us. And this is a month where there's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of fear as well. It's the month where you're overwhelmed. Time moves really fast. Today is one day, next day looks like it's 3 days, 4 days later. It's 1 week this time, next week looks like it's 2 weeks later. So time is not on your side. And I understand that and the pressures that come with being a student. It's very important that during this time, you have a lot of mental strength. You have a lot of order. You're very highly motivated and you don't give up. It's important that during this time, you look and find help. During this time, you ask questions. You do many past exam papers. During this time, you consult, you work with your friends, and you have a proper study program. That means you go back through your notes if need be. If you need to watch anything that has to do with school, do that. But order, discipline is what's very important. You will notice that the people that pass, apart from the fact that they are working hard, they're very disciplined, very, very disciplined. They know that at this particular moment, I'm going to be moving to this place, I'm going to be doing this and all of that. And that's what I encourage you to do. While you may be suffering from the anxiety that comes with it, those that pass in the exam, and I believe you will pass, have a lot of confidence in themselves. And how do you build confidence? By doing past exam papers and getting the answers correct. How do you build confidence? By telling yourself that today I'm going to study a certain topic and I'm going to make sure that I put 2, 4, 3 hours into it. And you do that when you accomplish these little tasks that you give to yourself. Because right now, procrastination is the worst thing that you could do. Saying, I will do things tomorrow. I will put things off for tomorrow. That's how time moves and runs away from us. Before you know it, would have run out of tomorrow. So here's my encouragement to all of you. Don't give up. My encouragement, have order. My advice, look for help. My advice again, look for your friends, watch stuff that has to do with school and all those kind of things, right? Discipline yourself. Discipline yourself. Your intention is to pass and you will make it. There's no magic to passing. It is a combined effort of hard work, working smarter, working efficiently and all that. Please remember that you're not going to be memorizing formulas. You're not going to be memorizing concepts. You're not memorizing. These are not lyrics. You need to understand them. Take your time, and also acknowledge your weaknesses. And that's a very important thing. You can see your weaknesses when you start doing past exam papers. So acknowledge your weaknesses and work on those sincerely. You do well to write them down. I'm weak in sequence and series. I'm weak in Euclidean geometry. How about electric circuits? I'm struggling with the chemical equilibrium. Write down those weaknesses and work towards them. Then also do well to study and read on the exam guidelines, because those ones guide you as to which particular topics have the greatest of marks. They give you an idea and an overview of how your paper will be marked. Overall, if you do all those things, I believe sincerely that you will make it, that you will go through and you will pass and get that distinction or that very good mark that you've always wanted and anticipated. So keep working hard the whole time in October and you do well. Check out more of my videos on Mr. X Maths Physical Science on YouTube, and also follow me on Instagram page, Mr. X Maths Science. Otherwise, wish you all the best. Let's go and work.